All right, welcome back. This time I'm gonna be putting y'all on. So I don't know if y'all know about the app Dazz, um, where you do the little 3D edit thing. Take a picture and it has this weird 3D shaky effect. The problem is the specific camera that you use to make that effect is it costs money. So one of my friends hit me up and was like, "Hey yo, can you do a little something, something for me?" I was like, "Sure, I'll try." So I took some pictures of him. I made it an edit, and I did that through Photoshop. But I was like, you know what? This is kind of easy to do. And then, lo and behold, you can do it on your phone. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'll be doing today. I'll be showing you. Yeah. Okay. First thing you want to do is take a picture. It's usually 3 or 4. Personally, I go with 4, so I'll show you that. And you want to hold the picture in place. Try to keep the same level that you used for the picture, but it doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to pull your hair out or anything like that. All right, here's the 4 pictures acquired. So now I'll go to Video Leap. I'll press plus, and I'll pick on the first picture I want to use in the little video thing, and then I'll drag this out. That should be good to serve as a reference point. So then I'll press plus, then I'll pick the 4 pictures I used in their order, then I'll add to project. So then I'll shrink, not really shrinking, but like zooming out of the videos. Now I'll slide over, press mixer, drag it all the way to the front. Do the same with the next one. Okay, but when I drag it like this, you can already see what we about to do. Yeah, I already like how this looks. Okay. So yeah, so this is the first image. It's the same as this one, so we don't really have to do much. The second one we'll start at. So first so what you do is you tap the image, you tap opacity. So I've lowered the opacity. And what I'm trying to do is get something in the image to align. So I keep the blue ring right under the little push thing. Try to keep it the same size. Feel free to like stretch it out or move it around. That looks fine. So I'll take the opacity back to 100. Then I'll do the same with this one. Let's say that's good. Opacity back to 100. So now it looks like, okay. So we set it up, all 4 pictures, so that they look just about the same size or same height and all that. So we'll delete this, remove, then we'll drop this. Where is it at? Oh, okay, so we'll clip all of them down. So now it's the fun part. You just shrink the video down to size. Shoot, let's see, was it 15 frames? No, 6 frames. So stretch that. Okay, so you drag it down to 6 frames. Then you'll do the same for the others. Yeah. So now let's see how this goes. Okay, 24 might be a little too slow. Or not too slow, just a little too large. Then this one should be at the 16th frame. Okay. Let's try that. Yeah, I like that. Okay. So we'll shrink that back down. Next thing you want to do is, this is going to be the ending frame, but you want it to go back where it came from, so like this way. So we'll take this second to last one and we'll duplicate it. Then we'll just drag it to the other side of the first one, or this one. So we duplicated this one. Now we'll duplicate this one. And then we'll drag it over. And then we'll do the same for this one. Duplicate it and drag it over. Since this is the same shot as the very first one, and you want it to go in a loop, shrink it down in size so that it doesn't get stuck on this one. I'll shrink it down to 26. That should be good. All right. So let's play that. Okay. So now that we have this like that, something that you might have noticed was that when I was editing the sizes, the image got moved to different, or they're not exactly aligned. So what we'll do is export and save that to photos. Then we'll go over to photos, go to albums. Okay, so this is the video, right? Play, you can see where it's no longer aligned. So what we'll do is edit and we'll crop it. So we'll take some out from here, take some out here, take some out here. Okay. All right. Yeah, that was good. All right, done. Okay. Could have made the frames a little bit shorter. Could also speed up the time so that it happens a lot faster. You know what? I think I'll do that. So, yeah, I think I'll do that. Okay, so we'll press this at the top left, and then new project, add, use the clip we had, click on the clip, go to speed, just increase it a tad bit. That might have been too much. Okay, yeah, I think this one's good. So we'll export it, save it to photos. All right. Since we already cropped it, we don't need to do that again since we didn't make any major edits. So now I'll go to Convertio. And then, okay. So we'll choose a file. Okay, choose files, photo library, videos, this one, done. So it says it's ready. So we'll hit convert. Okay. Since it was small, it was very quick. So once it's done converting, press download. Yes, download. $4268 should be this. So it's done its job. Okay, so there. So now when you go to photos, it's back. Oh, wait. Did I not actually download it? Okay, let's just save it to save image. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay, so yeah, now it's saved. Let's see. But I mean, that's kind of boring, right? So, okay, let's just delete this. Now I want to make it more exciting. Add to photos. Okay. Now we can do some creative stuff. So let me unplug my thing. All right, so I'm just going to take a picture of myself as part of the demonstration. All right. Never mind. But your boy kind of looking kind of cute though, a little bit. A little sun. Let's see, I'll set a timer for myself. 3 seconds should be more than enough. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, cool. All right, and okay, so yeah, so we have the picture. So what we'll do is we'll go over to PixArt, and then we'll add the picture I took, and we'll go over to cutout, press the person. So there, it's gotten a little bit of red on the top up there on the fan. So we'll press erase and we'll get rid of that. Zoom in because there's some spots that were missed, and erase. Ooh, undo. We'll erase that part off. Oh snap. Okay, got a lot of the fan. You can always press the eye thing to see how it looks like. Yeah, I always recommend doing that. Let's see. Oop, undo. But it did a pretty good job, I'd say. Let's change the size. Okay, okay. We'll just save it. So we saved it. It saved as a PNG next. All right, save. Download photo. Save to photos. We'll go to Video Leap. Press add. Oh wait. Now that don't seem right. Okay. I don't know what was up or why the image wasn't saving, but I think it is now. So okay. So we'll add. Here's the video. Here's the image that we cut the background out of. All right, cool. So I'm gonna hit mixer on this one. Shrink it, obviously. Slide it all the way to the front. Okay. And shrink that to size. And boom. All right, export that. Photos. And once again, we'll go to Convertio. Convert more files. Choose files. Photo library. Where is it? Recents. Here we go. Done. It's ready, so convert. Okay. Download. Download. When you set it up as a GIF, it the quality of the video definitely goes down a little bit, but not too bad. So I guess what you could do is edit the entire, or like add this in before, or like add this onto, is this the one? Nah. Okay, you can add it on top of this one here. What we could also do is take multiple. So what I'm gonna do is, actually no, go to camera, right? All right, just to let y'all know, the rest of this is just pointless. I've been trying to cut out these 4 pictures over and over again on PixArt. I'd always do it, but for whatever reason, I can't save it. I was able to do it before, but for whatever reason, this time I can't save it. But basically, I was going to take each one of the 4 pictures of myself that I took and then put it, cut out the background and then put it on top of each individual picture of the lotion that I had. And then I'll just crop the sizes so that they would fit for each frame, so that you'd have 2 moving objects. So it'd be me moving and the lotion moving. But like, I don't know what was up with PixArt like this entire video. But I mean, hey, trust me, it's reliable. You don't need to get the premium version for either PixArt or Video Leap, but I guess it would just help. But hey, I hope you at least enjoyed this video. I hope I taught someone something new or something cool. But yeah, I'm kind of fed up, so I'm gonna just head to sleep. Thanks for stopping by.